Good morning, friends. Your host Samir Gupta, and today's topic that we have come out with is a very close to my heart topic, which is how should we choose and buy insurance from online or offline. Till now, we have understood lots and lots about uh, health insurance. We have understood the kinds of policies, the insurance companies. We have understood the NCB, auto restore, and things like that in all these earlier videos. Today, we will discuss the most prominently disturbing fact and matter as to which is a good channel to buy health insurance in India, which is online or offline. Now, let us understand what is this online and offline in the first place, and how does it affect our insurance and our insurance coverage. So basically, when I say online, online is the channel. See, when I say online and offline, both are channels to sell insurance. And when I say online channel, it means e-commerce companies, aggregators, and telesales, because these are people selling insurance without coming in the forefront. We don't know who's the person talking to us. We don't know whom we are interacting with. We have no idea who is the person giving us the insurance. So we have no idea about that. So these are online channels, channels which are kind of hidden from our this thing. Uh, they are not in front of us. They are not available for us to understand who the person is, whether he's good, bad, aged, whatever. We have no idea about it. So that is one part. Then we have offline channels. And I say offline channels, we have the most popular all over the world, which is the agent channel. And then we have channels like uh, banks, brokers, and corporates. When I say corporates, if you have come across your uh, NBFCs who give you loans, they also sell health insurance. There are people who like your brokers, stock brokers, they also sell health insurance. There are these financing companies which sell health insurance, and there are corporates which have a business of health insurance as a main vertical, and they do that full time. So they are also called corporate agents. So that is the thing. First and foremost, why you should buy offline? Why we should actually go for offline? The major thing that we always look for is the focus and the expertise that they carry with them. The agent fraternity, the people in the bank, they cannot run away from you. They are there for a long term. They have been there for a long term. They have a reputation. So these people sell health insurance because they are focused on health insurance and they understand only health insurance. That is one of the major reasons why it is good to buy from offline. Agents, banks, brokers. When I say brokers, also you are in daily touch with them for your stock trading and other things. You are in touch with your the broking companies itself are very highly reputed with a lot of investment gone into the business. So they are there with you and they come back to you again and again. Now you call them, so they are good in terms of thing. And then corporates have a relationship already with you, and they are building upon the relationship by giving you the health insurance. So they also are good in terms of thing, uh, the good channel to buy. Then the knowledge and expertise, the experience. When I say knowledge, they know what they are selling, why they are selling, and to whom they are selling. So that is one thing that they have the knowledge of insurance and what are the effects of the condition that you are in, how will it affect the insurance, how will it affect the coverage, how will it affect the claims. They will tell you all about that, and then their own experience in the business. If they've been in the business for a long time, they will have had many years of experience. So they will share out of their experience what is it that you can always look at in terms of other people's mistake that they have done and lost in claims. You can build up on that. So that is another thing. Then it is about convenience. When I say convenience, you can call them to your office, to your home. You can sit in the comfort of your home or office in the presence of your family and then understand the entire plan, what they are selling, what they are proposing, and then decide and buy whichever is the best for you. So that conveniences you have at the time that you want to. You may sit with them on a weekend or a weekday, morning or evening, afternoon, post lunch, whatever. You can decide the way you want to, and in the comfort of your home or office, in the presence of your family. So that is very important. It's a convenient part of it. Then talking about reputation, the company and the agent, whoever is whichever channel you are buying offline, the agent and the company both have a reputation at stake. So when the agent sells you a policy and takes the documentation, everything, check, payment, everything is done, there is a verification done by the company also to counter what they have told you. And if there's something wrong that they have mentioned in the policy not covering, and then you have a doubt, you can always go back and say, no, this was not told to us. You can cancel the policy or you can cancel the trade or the deal. So this is something that you have offline. Online, this is not available. In online, what happens is you just go choose whatever plan you want to choose and then go buy it. Once you have bought it, you don't know how to cancel it because the policy is issued. And once the payment is done and policy is issued, you don't know where the payment is gone. You don't know who's issued the policy, and the policy comes to your email. Now, in the email, you have some call toll free number and other numbers. You have to call them, talk to them, and then it just goes on, and you don't know what to do about it. And then about reliance. When I say reliance, you can be the person who's coming to you has probably given you some data points, and he's come through a known source, some reference. So he will have to depend on the reference also that he has to take care of you as long as the policy is live, and give you support of anything and everything in the future also. So then comes the main major part, which is the claim and service support. So supposing you have some issues in your policy and you want to do some changes, if it's an online policy, you still don't know how to do and how to go about it, and you send mails, no reply, you call the toll free number, nobody responds, and things like that. So when you are offline, you can call the agent to your place, or you can go to their office, and then whatever requirement you have in terms of servicing issues, you can do that. In terms of claim, the major part of the agent is played at the time of claim. When the claim arises, the agent either picks up your call and then tells you what to do, how to go about it, and what all is to be taken care of, or he is there next to you ensuring that the paperwork is done smoothly and seamlessly. This is the only time when we realize that the importance of health insurance and its agent's value. Because if that person picks your call at the time of the dire need in claim, you are in pain and you have that only comfort is the agent. Whatever he talks to you, the way he handles the claim, is the comfort zone that you have and relationship with him over a period of time. So that's something that you have to understand very clearly. And also that many a times it has happened that online policies, they send emails and they send alerts, which sometimes you miss out to see, and the policy lapses. Once the policy is lapsed, you cannot renew the policy. There is a grace period of 30 days. Beyond that, you cannot renew a policy. In an offline, the agent, whoever has sold you the policy, will continuously follow up until the renewal is done and ensure that the renewal is done on time before time. So what for him it is his bread and butter. For you it is the coverage, and for both it is important. For both are very in touch with each other for the same reason. Then we talk about transparency. Now, when I say transparency, whatever is the person told you when he come to meet you and when he spoke to you, when he discussed with you, the policy document that is been handed over to you after the policy is done, that and before the policy is done, the tele-verification, both ensure that you are aware of the fact what you have purchased, why you have purchased, and your condition, and the policy document clearly says what is covered and what is not covered, and why, when it is covered, when it is not covered. So if you still have any doubt in terms of the policy, you can just call up your agent and say, I don't want to continue the policy. I just want to cancel the policy, and the policy will get cancelled in a day. So that is the transparency that you're talking about. Other things that come along with a offline channel, which is not there at all online channel, is the empathy and the personal bonding. Now, when I say empathy, supposing you have an agent and he's been with you for a long time, maybe 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, and he's met you multiple number of times. Now you have a relationship with him. With this relationship, if something in your family goes wrong, there are times when people have called me for issues that they have faced in their family. Could be financial issues, could be emotional issues. someone is sick in their home, not insured, someone is sick in their family, and they need some support with the other policies that they have, or probably they want to know the best place to go in terms of whom to contact for kind of health issues and things like that. So this personal bonding builds up over a period of time with empathy. So how good you are at what you do, the agent will decide and then take a bonding towards that. And there are times when I've seen the relationship going from generation to generation. This relationship is what I have seen in my personal life. I have been in the business for 25 years, and from servicing the age-old people who are 70 plus, 75 plus, I have seen three generations taking my services in the same family. And probably in next few years, I will actually be servicing the third generation full time, because I will go into that senior citizen category, and then I'll be servicing those people who probably are now the third generation in the family. And moreover, it could be possible that if I am no more, or if I end after my life is no more, my family member, if somebody continues this business, they will service the next future generation also going forward. In LIC, we have seen three, four generations continuing to service the policies. Yeah, in the same way, the relationship that we have built over a period of time will decide how long and how well we will serve the customer, and the customer will be with us. Uh, in my case, it has been a very different experience. I have when I entered this insurance business, I had only one contact in Bangalore. Only one person I could talk to in Bangalore for insurance, and this person gave me, I don't remember how many leads and contacts, and uh, I have built my entire insurance career because of this one person. And that's gratitude from my side to this gentleman who's been my guiding light and my godfather in the insurance business. uh, I've survived for 25 years and thrived in the business. But yes, we have worked hard. We have persevered to be where we are today. But all said and done, thanks to this one person, I have made a mark in the insurance industry, and made a career out of insurance. So that is something I talk about, relationship and long term benefits of being in insurance, because insurance is not a one day business. It's a lifetime kind of a business. So either the agent ends his life, and then the business stops, or the customer ends his life and the business stops. So either way, it ends with your life. So that's the kind of relationship we have. In fact, I have gone to almost every marriage of my customers' children. I've seen their babies being born, and the namkarnas and other things. Almost all the functions we have attended. So that is a kind of bonding we have built in terms of personal relationship that we have together. So, friends, one thing remember: the new generation is tech savvy. They understand technology very differently, and they are very good at the technology part. So, keeping in mind how well you can manage technology, how well you can be in sync with technology, uh, I wouldn't say any channel is bad. All channels are here to survive. All channels are here to sell. All channels are here to serve. But looking at your own convenience, remember, the claim is the only time when you remember the agent or the company or the insurance that you have bought. It could be one time in your life, or it could be every now and then. But that is the only time that you remember the agent, and the agent is not available to you to talk to you or to understand your requirement. That is when you feel the pain of having bought insurance but not able to use it properly. So please, friends, decide the best channel and buy insurance, because insurance is not bought for a day, it is bought for a lifetime. So you should have someone to for you to talk to in the time of need. So decide accordingly which channel is best for you. You must save a few pennies when you buy insurance online. There could be some discounts online, maybe 2, 3, 5% discounts that online channels give you. But buying the saving the 5% of the fee of the premium initially could land up a lot of pain at the later stage. So don't look at that cost part, look at the value part, and then see how best you can do, which channel you want to choose, and accordingly choose the best option so that you have convenience in the future. My friends, thank you for the video, and thank you for watching. Call me at 9886100026 for a more detailed discussion on anything that you want to know in health insurance or insurance as such. If you like the channel video today, please subscribe to the channel, like and share the video, and till the next time, have a good day.